Hello guys, welcome all of you. So today we are going to continue our series Constitution of India. So today we are going to learn about Governor versus CM power fights. Article 152 to 212. So let's begin. So in part 4, the states, chapter first, general. This is a very small part, general. Right now, not necessary to study about this, but we will do that. Article 152 tells about definition of state. Excludes Jammu and Kashmir and post 2019 recognition. Jammu and Kashmir was now not a state. Jammu is now governed under Article 239A Union Territory rules. Okay. Now this article have no use. It's only tell about definition of states. So chapter 2, the executive, Article 153 to 167. So in this Article 153 to 154 tells about governors of states. One governor can serve multiple of states. One governor can serve multiple of states. For example, Banwari Lal Purohit served as a governor of Punjab and Tamil Nadu in 2021. And then Article 155, appointment of governors. President appoint governor. Kerala government Arif Khan versus state government 2022. This is the name of controversy when president appoint this governor there. Article 156, term of office. 5-year term but removable by president anytime. By the way, only one governor was there who was removed in the midterm. West Bengal Governor Jagdeep Dhankar transferred to vice president roles. He was transferred but removed was only one. We will study about that in last. Article 157, qualifications. What are the qualifications to become a governor of India? Must be an Indian citizen plus 35 plus years. For example, Baby Rani Maurya, Uttarakhand governor at age of 60. Article 158, condition of office. Condition of office means can't be MP or MLA or hold office for profit. Example, Vijubai Bala resigned as Karnataka MLA before governorship. Means if he want to become governor, he have to leave the post of MLA. So he leave and become the governor. Article 159, oath. They should take oath in front of High Court Chief Justice. Standard oath footage visuals, you can go there and see that. 161 article, pardoning power. Yes, like a president, governor also have a power of pardoning. Pardoning means maafi. Maafi. They also have the power of pardoning, but only in the state matters. Can pardon state offense convicts. Only they're based on the states, na, that's why they're only limited to state. Tamil Nadu governor freezing Rajiv Gandhi essence. Essence means murderers. Article 162, executive power. Executive power limited to state list subjects. I hope you know that we have three types of list: central, state, and concurrent, means both. So they have the only power in state lists. Fight over administrative controls 2018. Article 163, Council of Ministers. Governor act as CM's advice. Governor always act on the advice of CM. Pondicherry Lieutenant General Kiran Bedi overruling CM in 2020. Now, Article 164, Ministerial Provision. Ministerial provision is minister have 15% of MLA strength can become only ministers. Goa's 12 ministers for 40 MLA means 15% obviously breached 15% cap. This Goa is the only state breached the 15% cap. What is the 15 red? Means only 6 can become, but they made 12. Now state and top legal advisor. Article 165, Advocate General. I hope you all know about the Advocate General. They are the top legal advisor of state, defend states in Supreme Court or High Court cases like Odisha Advocate General Ashok Parija, defending state in mining scams. Article 166, Conduct of Business. All executive orders in governor's name. Loophole. What is the loophole in this? Bengal teachers executing scams over orders misused. Now, Article 167, CM duties. CM's duty is to must inform governor's decision. Conflict. Maharashtra CM Uddhav Thackeray versus Governor Koshiri 2022. Now the state legislature. Chapter 3. Article 168 to 212. This is the last of today. Article 168. Legislature composition. Means 6 states have 2 houses. UP, Bihar and so more. Fact that Andhra Pradesh abolished legislature council in 1985. What is the means of this legislature composition? 2 houses means, do you know MLC or LC? These are that. Article 169, creation or abolition of council. Needs assemblies 2/3 majority in that. For example, Telangana created council in 2014. Extra council. Legislative assembly. Article 170, seat based on population. Seats are always based on population, minimum 60 and maximum 500. Controversy delimitation freeze till 2026 protects South's representation. Article 171, Legislative Council. Member elected by graduates, teacher, MLAs. For example, Kapil Sibal elected as UP Council VI graduates constituency in 1998. I hope everyone knows about Kapil Sibal, one of the prominent lawyer in India. Article 172, duration. Assembly term 5 years. What is an emergency? Punjab Assembly extending during 1987 insurgency. Article 173, qualification. MLA should be at the age of 25 years or more than that, and MLC should be 30 years equals or more than that. Disqualification. Lakshadweep candidate rejected for age 2019. Article 174, sessions. 6 months between sessions. What is the means of the Jharkhand government dissolved house during gap? Mean of this is session should be taken in every 6 months. Governor's address, Article 175, special address in to legislature. This was protested by Tamil Nadu MLAs through papers during governor's speech in 2017. Now Article 176, special address, governor's policy speech at session start. When the session starts, first speech should be given by governor. Now Article 177, rights of ministers. What is this? Rights of ministers is they can speak in other house also. For an example, UP CM Yogi addressing council despite not being member. Article 178 to 179, speaker or deputy speaker elected by assembly. Karnataka speaker's resignation. This is the crisis triggered in 2019 collapse. Now Article 180 to 181, speaker's removal. 14-day notice plus majority vote needed. Haryana speaker removed amid 2024 defection. Article 182 to 183 talks about council chairman. Similar removal process like that speakers. Only 28% no. Fact that only 28% no legislature council exists. That's normal. Article 184, removal notice. 14-day notice for chairman's removal. Tactic means, what is the tactic on this article is BJP's failed attempt to remove Maharashtra chairman in 2021. Now Article 185, acting chairman, deputy chairman steps in during vacancy. Naseem Khan acted as Maharashtra chairman in 2022. Article 186, salaries. set by state legislature. Means that MLAs set salaries. Um, Telangana MLAs are among highest paid 2.5 lakh per month. Article 187 Secretariat staff. What is the problem of these salaries? Are MLAs are setting their own salaries. Article 187 Secretariat staff appointed by Speaker or Chairman. Scandal cash of job scam in Assam. Oath Article 188 MLA or MLCs swear before governor. Like same like governor swear before High Court Chief Justice, they swear before governor. Controversy Bharat Mata ki Jai refusal led to disqualification threats. Article 189 voting. Majority presence and voting. Article 189 tells historic that 370 minus 1 for Telangana formation 2014 means that when Telangana was going to form it, the bill was in the parliament 370 minus 1 means only 370 votes in favor to make Telangana and 1 vote is against. Historic. So this is historic that first time in the history that much of votes in the favor. Now Article 190 vacation of seat. Can't be MP plus MLA simultaneously. For an example, Sonia Gandhi resigned from Lok Sabha to join Rajya Sabha seat in 2019. Now Article 191 disqualification. Anti-defection law intense scheduled landmark Shiv Sena MLA disqualified in Maharashtra in 2023 recently. Article 192 decision on disqualification. Governor acts on EC advice. EC means Election Commission. Delay tactic. Pondicherry governor sat on plea for 18 months. Article 193. Penalty for unqualified sitting means 500 rupees per day of fine that we talked earlier also about that. Kerala MLA fined in 1990. Article 194 privileges. Freedom of speech in house. But controversy was there when Jammu and Kashmir MLA arrested for speech in 2018 in Modi government. Article 195 salaries set by state laws. Issue that's all I talked recently in this video only. MLAs voting own pay hikes. Article 196 to 201 talk same legislative process bill acquired assembly passages are not. Article 202 budget finance bill introduced in assembly crisis Karnataka government fell during 2019 budget vote. Article 203 to 207 money bills only assembly can approve that. Delhi service bill wrongly labeled as money bill in 2023. We talked that also earlier that who labeled the bill as money bill or non-money bill. Article 208 procedure rules. House makes own rules. Article 209 financial committees. Public account committees oversight. Expose. Expose of this article is that Maharashtra PSC uncovered irrigation scam in 2012. Article 210 language Hindi or English or any other state language dispute. Karnataka MLC suspended for speaking Kannada in 2020. This was dispute regarding this article. Article 211 restriction on discussion. Can't judge High Court judge, Supreme Court judges. Means that MLAs or MPs cannot talk on judges. In that violation, UP MLA censored for commenting on judges. Judge 2019. Article 212 courts not to inquire. Immunity for House procedure. Loophole bribery cases against MLA is still prosecutable. Prosecutable means chargeable. So conclusion and fun fact on this video is state governments wield massive powers from governor blocking bills to speaker disqualifying MLA, but here's a shocker. Governor have rejected 24 bills in 2023 again. Fun fact, only one governor has been removed mid-term. Prabhudas Patwari. I told you before that only one governor has been removed till now. So what we learned in this video is governor versus CM. First, chapter 1 journal, definition of states, then executive 153 to 167, governor power, governor qualification, salaries, executive powers, council of ministers and all these. Advocate general, CM duties also. Then in chapter 3 we learn about state legislature 168 to 212, legislature composition, legislative assembly, legislative council, duration of that, MLC and MLA difference, and speaker or deputy speakers. So this is all about today. If you like the video, please click a subscribe button and like, and please share this video.